We're keeping it easy and creative. I'm sharing with you some easy wrapping hacks that anybody can do today. Welcome back to Do It on a Dime.
All these things you can do in about 30 seconds. Yep, I'm not kidding. It's that easy. Plus, while you want to save those McDonald's drink holders. And the easiest wrapping trick you've got to keep in your back pocket. But first up, we've got the easiest gift idea. In fact, this always makes the top 10 gift ideas in the country. Socks. And I want to show you a really easy way to wrap these that is so creative. The Dollar Tree, or maybe you have these at home, sells mini tins. Did you know you can undo the socks and roll them into itself? And do you know what it looks like? A little donut. I like to find them in really fun patterns. The kids' socks are my favorite this year. And yes, Dollar Tree has these for $1.25. Do not let anything stop you. Look how adorable these are in the little tins. Plus, the adult socks are equally as cute. The really big fuzzy ones are awesome. Just roll it into itself. I'd love to know if you'd add any embellishments to these. Another one of my favorite tricks is to grab a pair of really beautiful Dollar Tree socks. Again, these $5 ones are awesome. Put a bottle of your favorite something inside and then tie the other sock around the top. This is a beautiful and super practical gift bag. And the best kept wrapping secret right now at the dollar store, or really any store, are these adorable baking cups. The possibilities are endless for little items, but I like to stack 2 socks on top of each other and add a little wooden embellishment to the center. You can also bake little items or set cookies that you make right inside these little boxes. What a great gift. On Facebook and Instagram, Owen shared one of his favorite treats this year that a friend taught us how to do. This is taking 2 Ritz crackers with peanut butter inside and dipping it into melted chocolate. This is so simple and so good. You absolutely have to tag us if you give it a try. Dip in milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or even white chocolate and top with adorable sprinkles. I had to sneak this in here because honestly, these are so good and it's the perfect little addition to a gift or maybe even a gift card. Plus, you can make it so fast. Put in Dollar Tree cellophane and some of these baking cups and tie with a bow. Look how adorable this looks with our little sock donuts and cupcakes. You could display these in any way you want. The sky's the limit. I just love having a little bit of extra candy treats in the things that I'm wrapping. Candy canes make the perfect hearts inside of these boxes as well. And if you want something even simpler, my beautiful friend, all you have to do is go to the dollar store and they have these adorable pre-made Christmas cards. We are keeping this so simple, okay? This wrapping is simpler than simple. They have these adorable little ornament tumblers, and I want you to go to the frame section. This is an elevated way to give a gift card. Grab a couple of your favorites. The Dollar Tree does have these now. Stick it right on top of your card. Lots of these are 3D and stick in the picture frame. You can combine it into a gift bag, or you can do standalone with one of these tumblers. Or if you want to, add some flowers to the inside of these ornament tumblers. I love getting carnations from the grocery store. They're just $3 to $4 for a bundle. Put this inside and add a beautiful bow around. This gift is such a standalone wow and would be an amazing centerpiece. What do you think? Flowers are such a timeless gift, and here's an eco-friendly option. The next time you're grabbing fast food, take one of these drink caddies. I saw this floating around TikTok and I really liked this idea. This is a perfect way to transport all of those items really easily. So I just got one of these Dollar Tree vases and I added some pretty flowers inside. And what I love is it fits perfectly inside of this caddy. Also, the Starbucks drink tumblers, or if you want to get one from the dollar store, fit perfectly inside as well. And here's where you get to embellish it for fun. Add a gift card to the center, some ornaments, and maybe some of those treats that you did in the front. This is so easy to transport and set on somebody's front porch. Nothing says a special delivery like a caddy filled with all of your favorites.
If you're enjoying this video, leave it a big thumbs up. That helps me bring more content just like this right to you.
Now we're wrapping, and I've got to show you this. If you know what this is, would you leave a comment down below? This is a gift from my dad, so he and I are obsessed with these lights, and if you know, you are definitely our people. But no matter how normal or kitschy the gift, I'm going to show you how to wrap an awkward size present. All you need is wrapping paper that is twice the width of your item and twice the height of your item. Make a tri-fold board like you did in school by folding the 2 edges to the center. Then fold the bottom third up to the center. And then you're gonna open the bottom into a diamond shape. Finagle this as much as you need to. This does not have to be perfect. That's why I love this one. This is a little bit like origami. Take the edges of the diamond and fold them into the center like you did the tri-fold board and add a piece of tape. Then you can open this up and it's a little bag that perfectly fits your item. But the real secret to this gift is the embellishment, which I've never shown before. After you fold your bag over, add a piece of ribbon to the back and then fold your paper over the ribbon and back to the front again. Then once you make that crease, you're going to turn the bag around and do the same backwards. Think of it as making an accordion fan. And then you can tie that ribbon around the front, add an embellishment if you want to. Look how cute! You can use the same technique with leftover bags from the grocery store. It makes adorable little gifts with embellishments. This next hack is so easy and gives you a pocket on the front of your gifts. I love brown paper. Instead of wrapping the standard way, turn your gift to the side and fold a triangle up to the opposite edge, and then crease in the side and fold that next piece over. Then you'll need a bigger crease that you'll have to wrap around to the front of the gift, and then the remaining paper you can wrap up like you would a standard present. Now you've got a little pocket that you can put candy, chocolate, or anything inside. One of my favorite tricks is to use rosemary or even Christmas tree branches to hang a little gift ornament as well as some of your favorites. This really wows and takes you about 30 seconds. I write in a chalk pen someone's name and I go over it twice. If you see this one more time, I think it's going to stick in your back pocket, hey? So take your present and turn it to the side, and you want to make a triangle that goes almost all the way to the edge. Then you can fold over that second side to the middle and add a piece of tape. This next part is the trickiest part, but it's really not that bad. You're going to fold in the paper and then wrap that next edge all the way around to the back. Now each present looks a little different because their sizes are different. And then you want to fold up the bottom. Let me know what you would put inside the pocket. Little cards could look really great, or you could also do your family Christmas card if you have one. And I want to show you one of my favorite tricks of the video. Right now, Dollar Tree has shrink wrap and pull bows. I'm sharing this with you because this makes wrapping so incredibly easy. We made chocolate drizzled pretzels with the leftover chocolate that we had and put inside a tin. I grabbed from Walmart one of these really cute gingerbread baskets. Now in this little package, you actually get the bow itself. This is my favorite. You just pull at it and it literally creates the perfect bow. And then you can set your gift bag or box right inside the shrink wrap. Tie at the top, and all you need is a hair dryer, and that's going to help shrink the excess around the present so it has a nice tight fit. I do about 30 to 45 seconds, making sure to work quickly so it doesn't melt too much, but I really love this gift idea. And if you're looking for this particular bag, you can find it at the dollar section at Walmart at the front of the store. Another amazing gift idea that also comes from Walmart are these ornaments. When I saw these, I had to get them because they reminded me of Starbucks cake pops. I took some skewers that I got from the Dollar Tree and I put these inside. This was so easy to do. Then some floral foam and a little container, and this looks like a cake pop display. I grabbed a Starbucks gift card and I embellished it, and then I put some items in the bottom of the container. This is such an adorable way to present a gift card. And since you often ask, here's how I store all of that Christmas wrapping paper. I have Dollar Tree bins inside of a Dollar Tree under the bed organizer. I find it's easy to see and get to. I'd love to know what you do.
If nobody has told you today, you are enough. Happy wrapping, and I'll see you in the next one.
The magic of Christmas is truer than true. It starts with giving, and it starts with you.